So here's how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro low system memory. First, you'll need to go to Edit, and then go to Preferences, and then Media Cache. So as you know, the program caches the media you use in your projects to make it faster for loading and stuff. As the media cache grows over time, it can cause problems. So you can go to Media here and then click Delete, and then click Delete Unused Media Cache Files. Press OK. You can also delete all cached files. Now you will need to try to restart the program and see if that fixes the issue. Next, what you can do is go to Memory section and make sure you have enough RAM available. Usually it needs about 8 gigs of RAM, but 16 is recommended for optimal performance. So if you have less than 8, I recommend upgrading. Next, what you can do is decrease this value here, which is RAM reserved for other applications. So it maxes out the RAM available for Premiere Pro. Now you can press OK and then try to restart the application again. Now after finishing rendering, you will simply need to remove your render files to clear out the memory. So you can go to the sequence here, and then click on delete render files, and that should remove your render files after you've done using them. And what you can do as well is close all of the other apps that you don't need while using Adobe Premiere Pro to save the RAM so you can use it without any issues. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.